Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to unbox a gaming mouse. So let's do it. But we're going to open this. If there's a mouse inside it, the nails just come off. I don't know what that thing come out. I don't know how it come there. So let's put it right there. It's made in China. This one is made in China. And then it also turns on with a power bank. This is the power bank. Plug it in. Look. Plug it in. Wait, let's turn it around. Plugs in. And look at that. Look at that. It turns on. And now it turns off. So I got it. It's so hard to get out. Okay. This is the power bank. It has a power button. This thing is a power bank. So I'm going to keep it, right? Okay, so I'm going to keep it. Now we're going to do the gaming mouse. Can you see those LEDs? It makes some rainbow, and it's made in China too. And then there is a nail inside there. How did the nail get inside there? Or who put that there? I think I know how to put it back. Maybe doing like this. Let's see. And then we're done with this one. Now inside it, just one more. Oh yeah, the box is empty. Okay, so it's upside down. Oh, okay, damage. Don't get damaged. Oh wait, how did this? Okay, we're done with this one. Now I'm going to put this back. There is so many names. I don't know how. I cannot read it. I didn't saw that. It just. Oh. Okay. Now it's for this one. What the? Okay. So here is the. Okay, 7 windows. Japanese. I cannot read it. Okay. So this one's made in China, and we're moving on to the next one. We're going to move on to the next one. 2 phones right here. There are pop-ons duos. One opens. It was easy, but now there's no screws. I don't know how they put no screws in there. Wait, what does this say? Samsung. Don't take that sticker off. We're going to do the next one. Has so many screws. And also had 2 batteries. China. Both are made in China. We're not tearing them up. We're not going to tear them down because they're pop-ons devices. And has this one, and there's no SIM card. Okay, so let's plug this in. So let's boot up. It's not booting up. Maybe it's low, but wait. It's still out. Oh, okay. This logo. It turned off. Oh, didn't. And then would finally choose this phone. I see this one. It turned off. Would it turn back here? Let's boot this boy. Oh yeah. This one turned off. We're done with this thing. I'm going to power this off. I don't know how this one went here. Okay, we're done with this one. This one is always... The battery's low. So... Oh yeah? Yeah. So we're done with these. Now we're moving on to... Wait, why did it still turn on? How did it turn on? Hold on, get this away. Get this away. I need to get this away. I need to get this away. How? How did this turn on? How did this turn on? Oh wait. Don't see anything. I just didn't saw some damage. Oh, it turned off. We're done with these now. Then the final one is called Mamang's basic phone. Okay, so we're done with these. Now we're going to move on to Mamang's basic phone, Red. We're going to tear down it. We're tearing down Mamang's phone. I got my tools right here. And then I got Mamang's basic phone. It turns on. It's perfectly fine. So I need to pry it open. Oh wow. Once we just do this, now let's get the battery out. Let's get the battery out. Okay, so we got this one. Now we're going to get this one. Now we're going to flip it around and get this screwdriver. This baby. Get this. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh yeah. Let's put this back in here. Okay. So let's get this here. Just sure I don't make a battery die. Okay, so I have one screw. I have one. No. I didn't got it. I got this one, so I can get it. Ah. Wow. Okay. So. Oh no! It keeps going back in. Maybe this one is a right screw. But this one is a square. Oh, okay. Okay. So there's two SIM cards. It's the globe. Why did they put one of the globe SIM cards inside this Phillips phone? That's not very good. Ooh, it almost fell down, but that's okay. Let's go for this thing. Okay, so this one is loose. Okay, so I got new tools. Got this one. So sugar. Oh yeah. Oh, sugar. Okay. Unscrew. Okay. There's a last screw. Is there more screws? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, there's 6. No 7. Got it? Oh yeah. Sounds pretty neat and good. Oh yeah, got it. Now let's get my super sharpest tool in the world. It's called the gray prime tool. It's called the gray one. Okay, here's my gray prime tool. Ooh, look how sharp that is. Okay, so let's get this out. But the first thing you need to do is turn. Oh yeah? Let's get it open. Oh my. Don't break anything because I got it out. And let's put the battery back in to see if it actually works. It also works. Let's get this Phillips one. Let's get this. No way, let's just... It actually works! Inside here, it has LED. Okay. It also works! And it also works if you do this. Wow. The connector's right here. This is the seal. The seal should be... Okay. Let's press start. Oh yeah, let me go in. Okay, camera. No, not that. Camera. Let's go in. Oh yeah, it actually works. Let me take a photo. Just see me. It didn't actually work. Let me get out. I cannot get out. Oh, I can't get out. So, let's get the battery out again. Okay, so we're going to put this back here. Okay. It's actually very hard to put back, but you can actually do it with this. Okay, so here is this one. Now let's put it. Oh my god, it keeps coming out. Let me put it back again. Okay, so it actually does this, and then let's snap it. Okay, crunch. Okay, crunch. Crunch again. Middle crunch. There's so many crunches. Now this one's brand new, and now let's get all the screws. Okay, so let's do this one. Now let's put it back here. Now let's do this. Now let's put this here. Now Okay, so let's put this back. Oh, I forgot the battery. Okay, so I forgot the battery. Here's the battery. I hope I don't make the hand. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, so let's put it back here. Oh, okay, let's boot her up. Okay, Phillips phone. We're done with the Samsung, so we're going to put them there. Yeah, here's the Samsung, here's the device, and then yeah, so fully working. It's fully working. So we're done with this one. Okay. Okay, here's that one, and let's put it in there, and then okay, so this is the end. Okay, so let's put this screwdriver back in. Ooh, that is a satisfying thing. Ooh, I almost dropped the nail. Here's the prying tool. And then let's turn this around. Here's this one. Let me put it in here. Okay, so thanks for watching. I hope you like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Bye bye!